Vice President resigns before a trial is even, before the court is even convened, or even before the trial concludes, before she is convicted or not convicted. What happens if she resigns her public office? We've heard one side of it. Somebody said that means, well, House Representative Joel Chua said he believes the law says that she is still immediately barred from pursuing public office. What do you think?
Well, if she resigns and before there's a judgment of conviction, then there's no prohibition for her to run again.
There's also another school of thought that if she does resign, itutuloy pa rin daw yung impeachment trial. Is that normal? And also, I think they were using, with regard to what Regina just said, they were using as precedent what happened to Merceditas Gutierrez at the start of the Pinoy administration. Yeah.
Actually, the Constitution says that the penalty shall not go beyond removal from office and perpetual disqualification to all public office. So, if he has resigned, it's academic. You cannot remove her from office anymore. So I think they will just dismiss the impeachment complaint because she's no longer in office.
But what they want, Justice Carpio, is for her to be perpetually banned from running for other public posts in the future, or like forever, basically, unless she gets
yeah, they can file a criminal case because that's separate. And in the criminal case, if she is found guilty, there will be a prohibition office.
Okay. But minus a conviction in Senate, then the penalty of perpetual disqualification will not hold if she does resign.
No,
okay.
Yeah, not in the impeachment case, but if there's a criminal case, there's a perpetual disqualification also if she's convicted.
Right.
So it's valid to resign in the middle of the whole trial. There's nothing in the Constitution that says otherwise.
Well, that could be. If the Senate will continue, she will go to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court will have to decide, because that's a case of first impression, whether the Senate still has jurisdiction because she's not in office anymore. It could go either way.
The House has already chosen 11 prosecutors for this impeachment trial. Can you give us an idea of how that process goes? Because I think we just got a list of names, but we didn't have any idea on how this was actually done. Was there voting? Is it through voting? And how, or what happens now if they don't get reelected in the midterm elections?
Well, if they don't get reelected, then they cannot be a prosecutor, public prosecutor, but they can also join the private prosecutors, because the House can also, like in previous impeachments, also engage the services of private prosecutors.
This is how we made our workflow better than ever with Monday.com. It gave our